Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Crunchyroll, activate and watch anime step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable on your phone, computer, smart TV, or streaming device. Open the Crunchyroll app on your device, or go to Crunchyroll.com in a web browser. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up and create one using your email and a strong password. If you already have an account, select Login on the Crunchyroll home screen. Type your email address and password carefully, then press Login to enter your account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the email link to reset it. After logging in, confirm you are on the correct profile and region so content loads properly. Now, if you are on a smart TV, console, or streaming stick, choose Login or Activate device on the app. Select the option that shows an activation code on the TV or device screen. Keep that activation code visible and do not close the app. On your phone or computer, open a browser and go to Crunchyroll.com/activate. Log in on the activation page if you are asked to sign in again. Enter the activation code exactly as it appears, including capital letters if shown. Click Activate or continue to link your TV or device to your Crunchyroll account. Wait a few seconds, then return to the TV or device and confirm it refreshes automatically. If it does not refresh, select Retry or close and reopen the Crunchyroll app once. If the code expires, generate a new code on the device and repeat the activation steps. Next, choose a plan if prompted, and select Premium if you want ad-free viewing and offline features where available. Open Settings in the app to set your preferred language, subtitles, and audio options. Use Search to find the anime you want by title, genre, or season. Click the anime, then choose the correct season and episode list. Press play and allow a few seconds for the video to load in the best quality. If playback buffers, lower the video quality in the player settings and try again. To watch on multiple devices, repeat the same login or activation steps on each device you own. If you see login errors, confirm your email and password, then sign out and sign back in. If the app crashes, update the app, restart your device, and try logging in again. For account security, avoid using public Wi-Fi and log out of shared devices after watching. Now you are ready to activate Crunchyroll and enjoy your favorite anime anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.